of the other naysayers, and he's going to keep heckling me, but I'll just say what I have to say.
Please do.
See, number one, I don't think this is some kind of a stimulus. I think, and I might be totally wrong on this, but I think what the Prime Minister has today indicated is a massive structural reforms program. I think we are going to change the entire structure of the Indian economy. The kind of things which were bogging down the genius of the Indians to generate wealth in this country, I think he's demolishing those. I think he should have done it earlier, but he has used this opportunity to deliver this message. And why do I say this? Because he said one thing, that the time for incremental reforms is over. He said that he's going to go in for land, labor, liquidity, and legal reforms. And I think that says everything. He has already been rooting for Make in India. I think he's going to give it a push. I think our agricultural sector, as Anand very rightly pointed out, requires a massive restructuring, and I think he's going in for that. So all in all, if I look at it, I don't think this is just sloshing some money around, giving something to somebody, something else to somebody else. I think what he is aiming for is changing the face of the Indian economy. I hope I'm right. I hope this is not a wet dream of mine, because that is what we need right now. This is Prime Minister Modi. Arey yaar, you will get to know the package.
Sushant Sareen, continue.
Why are you acting like a silly man? Bhai, what's wrong with you people? You'll get to know the package in the next 2-3 days.
No, I'm telling you,
I think this is Mr. Modi's Narasimha Rao moment. This is that moment at which either India will go down or India will, shoot up like a phoenix. Number one. Number two, I think you also have to remember that Mr. Narasimha Rao and Mr. Modi is doing something similar. They are betting, and they are betting very big on the genius of the people to pull this country out of the kind of crisis we find ourselves in, just like every other country of the world finds itself in. I think that is the message he was delivering. I hope I'm right on that, but this is his Narasimha Rao moment. This will be his greatest legacy if he pulls it off. He's taking a big risk by talking about this massive, 200,000 crore kind of a package. But I think if he pulls this off, then the kind of aspirations he has always kind of ignited in the people of India will become alive. If it doesn't happen, then we'll of course be in a spot of bother. But I think that is a risk we have to take, because this kind of piecemeal reform which we were doing, this kind of Inspector Raj, this kind of silly labor laws which we had, you have to throw them out of the window. But I think that is the way to go.
Tausif, please speak with conviction.
Very
Tausif, please speak with conviction. You're mumbling. Please speak with conviction.
Hi everyone, I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.